Y'all already know the drill. I'm back at it again with yet another Outre unit, because y'all know it's my favorite company.
Cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another Outre unit, honey. This one is from the Sleeklay Part Collection. I'm wearing it in the style Johari and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with HD lace. It is pre-plucked. It does have baby hairs, and yes, honey, it is a left side part. Look at that part in his face. Let me just pop in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. It's looking pretty good, I can't even lie. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly, honey. I did need to adjust the straps on this one, and I am not wearing this unit with a wig grip band. I'm just wearing it with a wig cap, and it is fitting my head very snug once I did go in and adjust those straps pretty much all the way. The length on this one, honey, this is a long unit, girl. So I'm 5'3" for reference, and this one comes below my boobs, girl. So let me just show you what this length is looking like. Now the density on this unit is more so on the natural side. It's about 130% density. It is super lightweight, you guys. It is giving that flat, thin vibe. I did not need to add any heat or anything at all, but this unit is heat safe, so if you did need to, you can go in and add heat up to 400 degrees, so keep that in mind. So the density, I feel like with the curls combed out, it looks much fuller than it actually is, but just note this one definitely is on the thinner side, so if you are somebody who does like thicker hair, this one may not be for you. Now the texture on this one is coming off like a very slight yucky. There's no silkiness to it. I did get some tangling and shedding. If I had to sum up the texture, I definitely would want to say it's like a relaxed yucky. So I'm not mad. The texture is pretty good. I definitely did get some tangling and shedding with this one, you guys, which I did expect for the fact that it is a long curly unit. So definitely do keep in mind this one is going to be a tangler. It is going to be a shedder. I would definitely say this one is going to be a special occasion unit because I don't really see it lasting super long if you were to wear this unit every day. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con with this unit, I definitely want to say, is probably the tangling and shedding that I am getting. It's nothing too crazy, but like I said, I do not see this lasting super long just because of the amount of tangling and shedding that I'm getting, and that's right out of the box. It's not extensive, but it does lead me to believe that this one will not be one that lasts super long, so definitely keep that in mind. So my pros on this unit are, I think the hairline is very good. This parting space is fantastic. I do love the fact, like they say, it is a Sleeklay part, honey, so it does lay super flat, which is wonderful. I didn't even need to add heat, so I think that was great about it. This is definitely a throw in and go, definitely beginner friendly, so I'm definitely here for this unit, you guys. But would I pick it up again? Not necessarily, just because I don't think it would last super long, but I do think if you did pick this one up, you won't be disappointed. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like. like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.